new ski boots there, buddy?
Yeah.
Are you pleased with them?
Not really. They're not flashy enough for me. Ah.
What's your shred level at today, do you think?
Like my predicted shred level?
Predicted shred level.
Pull your pants up. Bit icy. 7.3. Today is going to be about adjustments and methodology. Not going to try to get too ahead of myself.
Cole, what's your shred predictions today?
8, 9 easy.
That's more than you miss.
Yeah, well, there's something called overconfidence, and that's what Cole has right now. It's called trusting your ability, Chris.
What do you think of the conditions today, Gramps?
Well, they didn't do a lot of grooming last night, but the conditions are good. The snow's fast.
Hector, how are you feeling out there today in the new skis,
A little sluggish. I gotta get back into my game.
How's the meniscus?
It kind of hurts.
A little sore?
Yeah.
Now, it looks to me like you only have one ski pole. Can you tell me what's going on
I
here?
have one ski pole.
What happened to the other one?
Well, I dropped it, obviously. Mickey Rourke stole my pole.
Stole my pole.
Cole, move your skis together. Don't worry, getting nervous. There he is.
Yeah,
the legend.
That dude's good.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at him go.
That boy real good.
Ain't that old man having a seizure?
Free bird to taco truck, free bird to taco truck. Are you in? Do you hear me?
We hear you, Freebird. This is Taco Truck over.
Yeah, free bird. This is Giant Eagle. We're going to be coming in the nest pretty soon here on the back edge. Please have the your feathers out and be ready to dance. Over.
We're excited to see you. We got a nice charcuterie board down here. We're looking forward to you boys coming down. Over and out.
Ooh, is that Kevin Cole?
Yes, where's the little pepperoni Sammys?
There they are, buddy. Help yourself.
Don't mind if I do. Sammy of Ski Idiots.
Oh, yeah.
Little pepperoni Sammys.
That'll keep you going all day is what it'll do. How is it, Bug? Give me a review.
I'd say you're at the top of your game with this little pep Sammy.
Check it out.
Oh, that's quality stuff.
It's a new addition.
Do you feel better?
I feel great. I feel energized. I feel great.
How was that hot dog?
Is this young gravy?
There's another burger.
Get any mustard on you?
No, but I dropped some, I think, in the case of the beer.
Oh, God, I hope you're not telling the truth. Son of a bitch. What he did, I guarantee, dropped mustard in the case of beer. So when someone reaches in there, they're going to get mustard hand.
What kind of?
Just some delicious carrots, hummus, olives.
That's impressive.
The following is an unpaid ad by the Minnesota School of Bartending.
I almost graduated the Minnesota School of Bartending. Could have made up to $30,000 a year. And now I bartend for $0 a year for my friends. Thanks, buddy.
No way.
Don't be like Maz. Stay in school.
Oh my God.
And so here we are at the Gnarnia Championship final round.
I don't think they're shredding.
I see them up there. They're looking pretty pathetic. They're not doing any shredding.
Gramps Cole this morning seemed fairly confident with his 8 to 9 shred level prediction. He's starting out strong. Good form out of the gate. He's gonna have to make up some good time here. His turns are a little wide. I've seen better shredding out there. Here he comes. He's hoping for a strong finish, but I don't think he has what it's gonna take. Those are not very appealing scores to have in this. Not a strong finish. All right, we'll see what Maz has here. He's looking good. He's looking poised. He's had a good day today. He's had a lot of shredding. He's shredded max gnar. Looks like he's hungry for this. I think he looks hungrier than Cole. I think that's what might separate the two, what might put him over the edge. He's out of the gate. It's looking good. That's a strong start. Oh, he's already tucked. He's already tucked in. He hasn't even left the gate yet. It's looking good. Strong turn, strong on his feet. I think those fish skis are giving him a little extra edge. Looks like he might have what it takes to edge out the competition in this run. This looks strong. I like this. I like what I see here. He could take the gold. He could very well be the shredding champion of Gnarnia 2023. Just a brilliant run. I think that should be straight 10s. Really, really a strong run. Quite the best I've ever seen. Colin's the sole representative of the snowboarding division today. I really don't think he has a lot of competition, so he basically just competing against himself. See how he's doing. He just seems to be doing okay. Hasn't fallen down yet. We're coming in hot. Very strong finish. This guy's got champion written all over him. All right, we're here live at Welch Village, Champions of Gnarnia competition, and I'm here with the champion himself, Maz, who seemed to have won somehow the shred championship gold medal. Maz, do you have anything to say about it, or anyone you want to thank?
Yeah, I got a lot of people to thank. Some sponsors, Meyer Skis, obviously, Rep Your Water. They gave me my fish ski power.
Do you feel like the little pepperoni sandwiches had anything to do with your performance today?
I didn't want to get ahead of myself, but probably as good a time I need to announce I got a deal with King's Hawaiian and Hormel Pepperoni for next year, so they'll be my main sponsors.
Sounds good. What about your fish skis? Do you feel like they kind of added another dimension to your shred game?
Definitely, yes. Put me over the edge. There was some tough gnar shredding out there to be had, but
how about any word about your competition, Gramps Cole? Was it a close race, or did you were you edging him out, or what happened there?
Yeah, it was close as always. I mean, Gramps is hard to beat, one of the best, but I think he started with confidence a little too high. Kind of underestimated.
Knocked him down a little bit with your fish skis?
Underestimated the fish skis. I think he was kind of mocking the fish skis. Then they came back to bite him, but you know, still good competition.
Well, there you have it, folks. Any last final want to say hi to the family or thank anybody in particular?
Yeah, say hi to Toby and Max. Hey guys.
They're cheering you on.
Yeah, they'll be very invested in this race. So
do you want to dedicate this to anybody in particular, like maybe a cat?
Oh yeah, definitely racing with a bit of a heavy heart today. Dedicating this performance to Cinder. All right, Cinder, I miss you, babe.
All right, I'm here live with the runner-up from the Champions of Gnarnia down at Welch Village. Johnny Cole coming in second place. You shredded hard today. Any key takeaways, thoughts about the day, your competition?
Yeah, I'm just kind of at a bit of a loss right now, you know.
Understandable.
I heard the birthday boy, you know, say that maybe I had a little bit of overconfidence to start the day off, and I don't know if it's overconfidence or if it's just straight confidence in myself, but you know, I come to win every year on, you know, this date, which we celebrate and we show up and we ski hard, and you know, I took what the mountain had to give me today.
Do you feel like the amount of Fireball that you consumed had something to do with your
I don't, honestly,
today?
I don't think, I don't know if I had enough.
Yep.
You know, the snow was good today. It was fast.
Yep.
I skied hard, a lot of shred, a lot of gnar, and I felt good about what I did. I just left it on the mountain, and that's all you can do every time. I'm fine with second place. I'm happy that I got here.
Leaving it open for next year, are you ready to recompete? You ready to take down the reigning champ? Are you ready to shred harder?
Yeah, I'll be back for sure. I feel like I left a little bit on the table this year, which is fine. You know, you can't.
You did.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for saying.
I hope you go home with that silver medal and show someone how proud you are of coming second place.
Yeah, no, I'm happy about it. I'm not happy with the finish, but I'm happy with my performance. I think it was worthy of a championship, and you know, I'll just get back to work. I'll keep putting the hours in on the time and that I need to, and we'll get back out here next year.
Yeah, I think off season is key for you. Johnny, you want to shout out to any family, friends?
I'm just glad to see Andy Hechtel back on the mountain this year. He missed last year, and he gutted it out today.
True champion.
Strong performance by him, and I'm proud of him. I'm really, really proud of him. So this one's for you, Andy.
All right, that'll do it for the day. Everyone have a good night. The Champions of Gnarnia.
Shred!
Shred hard. See you next year.
Freebird to taco truck, Freebird to taco truck. We got a gnar update for you. It is highly shreddable. There's gonna be a good 10-15 minute delay before we arrive at the nest. There is too much gnar to shred. Hold tight, save me a couple of cocos. We will be in soon.
Get away from me.
Oh, I just went down! Alright, I'll try another one.
Yellow guard tail.
What should I say?
I don't think they're shredding. What does Pennsylvania taste like, Colin?
Maybe that'll help.
Kind of like a dark smoke and
Take like 8 of them.
concrete, maybe?
Definitely. Watch Toby. Don't even come by me, because you ain't about going to leave. Oh God!
Max! Watch out.
Freebird and taco truck come in.
No, thank you.
I'm actually not going to film them at all. I'm going to film the best shredder of all time, me. I compliment them from time to time, but they both know that I'm the shred master.
Yes. Do it.